This is Engage New York, Module 4, Lesson 8, Problem Set Debrief. All right, let's go through. Hopefully you went through everything. You're not just copying, you're actually looking to make sure you understand how to do the problems and what's expected. Use words, pictures, or numbers to compare their methods. Laura rethinks the problem as 2 groups of 4/3, which is still equal to 8/3. And Sean used 4 groups of 2/3. Both methods are correct. Then it says to rewrite 21 over 4, 28 over 5, 12 over 7. Then it says solve and model. So this one should technically be over here. So 1/2 of 8 is 4 in each group. Then, so it's 8 broken up in halves, which 2 halves would be the fourths. Then 8 groups of 1/2, 8 groups of 1/2 gives you 4. Then 3/5 of 10. So here's 10 broken up into fifths and 3 of them. I did 5 units is equal to 10. 10 did the division, 1 unit equals 2, put it in, 2 times 3 is 6. Over here, I used the repeated addition, 30 over 5 equals 6. Then here, at first when I was explaining the problem set, I thought these were different problems, but they're the same problems. I just did it in 2 different ways. I used the cross-canceling method and I modeled using a tape diagram. Here I used repeated addition. Here cross-canceling and used a tape diagram. Over here I decided forget it. That 36 groups, if I had to write out 36 3/4, that was just going to be too much and kind of silly. So 36 times 3 over 4 gives you 108 over 4, which gives you 27, which matches up with 27 here. So the relationship, there is definitely a relationship here. So 30 times 13/10, so 13/10, that means it's more than 1 whole. So I had to make sure I had 13/10 over here. So I cross-canceled, got 39, and then made sure to show my tape diagram that I had more. I was going to end up with more than a whole. Over here, 30 groups of 13/10. I did the multiplication, ended up with 39. Over here, 9/8 times 32. So 9/8 again, so it's more than 1 whole. So I had to make sure I showed that 1/8 extra. All right, broke it up into eighths. So, and which is going to give you what? There's going to be 4 in each one, right? All right. So 32 groups of 9/8, 32 times 9 over 8, 288 over 8 gives you 36, taking you right back. Then down here, I did the multiplication. I did my cross-canceling. 1/2 of a minute is 30 seconds, knowing that 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 3/4 times 60 is really 45. So 3/4 of an hour is 45 minutes. Do you see the relationship between 3/4 times 60? It's 3/4 of an hour. So 3/10 times 1,000 equals 300. 3/10 of a kilogram is 300 grams. Just remember there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. Then we have 4/5 of 100 equals 80. I did my cross-canceling here. 4/5 of a meter is equal to 80 centimeters, and they're 100 centimeters in 1 meter. All right, so remember, the homework goes exactly with the problem set. If you did well on the problem set, and maybe you made a couple of mistakes, or maybe you did things differently, but you use the same strategies or methods that we've been using, and you got it correct, then you are ready to take on that homework and do very well. Good luck.